renovated pool, shining bright in the sun, a brand new beginning. Look what we've begun. Merodynamic Pools, we build it all. There's a pool in the yard that's been outdated for years. Cracked old concrete, faded liner, hiding memories and tears. Used to echo with laughter under summer skies. Now the elements took over time, just passing by. But where others see ruin, we see hope breaking through. A worn-out pool waiting for something brand new. Because every broken place just needs the right crew. A little faith, some heart, and professionals who follow through. Merodynamic Pools, we bring your yard to life. New concrete deck, new liner tied, new step installed, sun deck shining clear. A deep end swim out built to last for years. From worn out blues to sparkling shine, we turn forgotten pools into summertime. Merodynamic Pools, done right on time. We bring your backyard back to life. No shortcuts taken, no details ignored. We rebuild right, make your pool look completely restored. Your backyard revival is crafted with care. A rock waterfall flowing like it always belonged there. When you thought it was over, when you almost gave in, when the battle to restore it didn't feel like a win, we stepped in with a plan, brought new strength to the frame. Now that pool you once doubted is shining again. Hope rises with water that's sparkling new. A fresh start built on craftsmanship you can trust through and through. Oh, your Merodynamic Pools, from old to new. Fresh liner sealed, clean view for you. Faith, family, work, our promise stands by.